So as I was saying that it's very important to know when to trade alts. This is just again, I don't want to uh, scare you or spread any negativity, but this is just to make you alert. I am here. My intention of creating content for you is to give you best of what I can. I do not want you guys to fall for any traps. So just to give you an idea, so that whenever you are investing in an altcoin, you should know what to expect. I don't want you guys to form unreasonable expectation and then become sad about it. So again, this is just alt. I am going to show you maximum alts again Bitcoin to see how they are performing against Bitcoin. This is very important. And we look at the weekly level. This is just to give you an idea. I will keep uh, just quickly browsing through different charts. So the first chart that you're looking at is ETH against Bitcoin. You can see how it's performing since 2017. ETH has been unable to create any new all-time high against Bitcoin. So it's good trading altcoins like ETH or any other alt. Like in a bull market, it will outperform Bitcoin, but in a bear market, it won't. And if you're just somebody who is hodling alts, who is just holding alts for long term, then it's not wise to hold alts against Bitcoin if they are not outperforming. So if you're not an active trader, if you just passively investing, so be careful. I mean, you can do whatever you want to do, and I'm not a financial advisor, but just be careful. Look at different alts. This is Link against Bitcoin. Link has been one which had outperformed in the previous bear market, bull and bear both. Since 2017, it was in an uptrend against Bitcoin. But since it topped in 2020, and since then it has been in a downtrend against Bitcoin, and that is one reason why Link overall did not perform that well in 2021 as many of the Link Marines would have expected. So just look at this. It has been in a downtrend since 2020. So rather than holding Bitcoin, Link, it would have been better holding Bitcoin since it is outperforming, it is underperforming against Bitcoin. So this is Solana again. This is an extremely good project. I'm personally looking to buy some, but my point is that since 2021, and it is still new, so you cannot entirely make this thing. But since 2021, if you're holding Sol, it would have been better if you're holding Bitcoin or USDT because it is underperforming against both. This is Phil Bitcoin. This is one of the most eye-opening charts. If you look at Phil Bitcoin, it literally made new lows against Bitcoin. This was December 29 low, July 29 low. This is a new low. It's constantly making new lows against Bitcoin. So you have to understand when you are holding alts for a long term, if they are not outperforming Bitcoin in the long term, then what's the point of holding alts? Rather, better hold Bitcoin. So it performs, alts perform well in the bull market, no doubt about it. So that's why when I shared this Bitcoin dominance chart with you, this is what I want you to understand, that if you're buying alts, if you're trading altcoins, then you need to know when to buy, when to sell, because just randomly holding them for a long time historically has been proven, a very wrong idea or foolish idea. Because if your altcoin is not outperforming Bitcoin, then what's the point of holding alts? They are not outperforming Bitcoin, they are not outperforming US dollars, then what is the point? So it's very important for you to, this is VRA BTC again since 2021. You can see it's been in a downtrend. It has reached to an important level. This was 2019, 2020 top, in a bear market top. It was ranging like this. Then we saw the breakout. So it's currently retesting the previous, the previous top in the Bitcoin pair. So again, I'm personally very bullish on this project. But what I want you to know is that only few altcoins will have in them to outperform Bitcoin or to create a new all-time high against Bitcoin. So be sure in the alts that you are accumulating. Do not have false expectations. And we can always get mini alt season where alts will perform, like they will pump 30, 40, 50%, or even 100, 200%. You can see Bitcoin Cash right now. It has been one of the best performing altcoins in a short span, where it's performed amazingly well. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you to make you understand. Look at this. Bitcoin Cash has been on a rampage again in the USDT pair, and it's almost reached its resistance over here. This is a zone of resistance where it is currently retesting. And again, it can do something like this and then keep going higher. But let's look at Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin. It's pumped well, but when you look at the overall trend, look at this. This is Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin. It's only been in downtrend. This is a downtrend since 2017. Just look at this. So it's pumping amazingly well right now. But if you zoom out, then after 2021, it is retesting this VMA on the weekly. So almost after 2 years. So now if it needs to reverse this trend, if you are somebody who wants to hold this for a long term, you need to see that it is reversing this trend. Only then it's worth holding for the long term. If it's not, if it keeps continuing like this, then there's no point holding it. You can always trade it, you can ride it. So if you are somebody who is investing in alts, keep this in mind. I mean, I was looking at charts. These are all the alts listed on Binance. So taking example of the exchange with most volume, most of the alts are bleeding against Bitcoin. Most of the alts, and so many alts have made new all-time lows, breaking the previous bear market all-time lows. So be aware that whenever you are trading alts, I mean, I only trade alts, so I can understand that there is a lot of money to be made against alts. But you have to be aware about the valuation of alt against Bitcoin. You cannot simply you cannot simply, just keep holding it if they are bleeding against Bitcoin. So if you want such precise analysis on daily basis, you are most welcome to join my Genesis NFT group. I have started this group with my pure intention is to help as many people as I can. And you can see amazing results in this Genesis NFT group. So I welcome you to join it. But keep this in mind before investing in alts for a long term. I invite you guys to join the Bitcoingem Genesis NFT. This is a Genesis NFT website. Let me just share with you some briefs that we do. What do you get by buying a Genesis NFT? The first thing you get is an access to Bitcoingem mentorship program. So I've designed a year-long program where I conduct practical Zoom sessions with you. You also get access to all the pre-recorded sessions or the previous sessions that I have recorded, and you can look at these sessions, you can learn from it as per your convenience. The second thing that you get is Bitcoingem Special Club. So this is a special Telegram group where I share trading setups. I give you every day, daily Bitcoin analysis for your intraday trades. I give you weekly analysis. I give you altcoins, buy zones, sell zones. So lot of stuff to help you trade better that you get in Bitcoingem Special Club. also that you get is small cap gems or gems that altcoins that are potentially that have great possibility to outperform Bitcoin in the bull run. So I was very early into Veracity, very early into Polygon, very early into WRX, very early into Chiliz. These four altcoins were my best performing altcoins in the previous bull market. And because of COVID crash, I could also get in early. Like I got chance to accumulate ADA, that is Cardano, BNB at a very good prices. So I have shared link of 2020. This was a post of 2020 where I had shared a list of altcoins that will outperform in the next bull market, and you can go and check for yourself all the altcoins that outperformed in 2021. So similarly, I am already in the Bitcoingem Genesis NFT. We have already started preparing ourselves for the next bull market. There are already few alts that I have shared with the Genesis NFT group. I have given them the entire plan, how we should accumulate, and that's the basic goal of Genesis NFT. So you can go and buy Genesis NFT. You can visit the website, that is bitcoingemnft.com. You can buy, and you can buy these NFTs. The only out of there are total 24 NFTs already minted, and out of that only 4 are currently available for purchase. Rest of the NFTs have been already accumulated by people, and in all there will only be 111 NFTs. Okay, this is a community project. So in all, there'll total be 111 NFTs only. So you can go and accumulate today. One NFT is for 3.79 BNB, and this is a golden opportunity if you want to accumulate, because this is only one time. So it's not every year that you need to pay. It is only one time you buy an NFT, you hold an NFT, and you can get access to all these services. The next thing what I have done also is, if you are somebody who doesn't want to buy NFT outright, what you can do is you can register via the links that I have provided. So I have given you reference link of KuCoin, of Binance, of Rocket Exchange, and a lot of exchange in the description. Go and check that link, register through that link to the exchanges, and whenever you trade, if you're trading on KuCoin, register to the Bitcoingem link, make a fresh registration, and trade via that link. You can use Binance, you can use RocketX, you can use MEXC. All the links I have provided. And once you trade on their exchanges via the Bitcoingem link, whatever commission that Bitcoingem receives, that will be against the NFT. So if your commission reaches to the price of NFT, that NFT will be automatically minted and it will be given to you. So it's like an airdrop. You can receive Bitcoingem Genesis NFT airdrop simply by trading with the reference link of Bitcoingem. So if you are somebody who wants to buy Bitcoingem NFT but you cannot, just go and trade. I have given you link of KuCoin, Binance, Rocket Exchange, MEXC, I don't know. You can find the links on the YouTube description. Again, this is only to support you guys. So if you are somebody who wants to accumulate Genesis NFT, but you can't outright buy, but if you are actively trading, then use the Bitcoingem reference links. And once you reach to that level where your trading commission reaches to that level, you will automatically get an airdrop of this NFT, as long as 111 NFTs are available, whatever NFT. Once 111 NFTs are done, there will be no more NFTs, Bitcoingem NFTs forever. So this is something which is exclusive. This is something which is rare, which is limited, and you can get access to it because the support system for trading crypto in future, we will also introduce stocks, and the overall trading support system would be provided to the NFT holders. So I invite you, join me in this Bitcoingem Genesis NFT journey, and let's grow together.